So, hi! Magandang umaga po. So, ang kakantahin ko po ngayon ay Past Lives, requested by Tyron Franco. Past lives could never hold me down. Last life is sweeter when it's finally found. I've got the strangest feeling. This isn't our first time around. Past lives could never come between us. Sometimes the dreamers finally wake up. The